Alacrán con gusano, ¿no?
Sí.
¿Y usted probar conmigo?
Sí.
Porfa.
Claro.
Yo pregunta, saluda conmigo.
¿Tú? No, yo estoy bien, gracias.
Él es vegano.
¿Es qué?
Vegano.
Él es vegano.
¿Por qué vegano, hombre? ¿Por qué?
Salud.
Aló.
So we were just coming back from him setting up his phone because he's gonna be traveling, and we stop at this guy who insists on us having mezcal, and so I was like, whatever it is, we're gonna drink it together. We got something but one with herbs so we could taste what it's like, and now I'm gonna walk to get my phone hookup straight. Ay, ay, ay. I am in Tulsa, trying to get my phone hooked up straight, and I hope I get to do it today and I don't have to come back again. Got done with Telmex and now I'm heading back. First I need to get food. I'm hungry. Food is always a good idea. And then I'll tell you a little bit about the process for getting my phone hooked up straight. I just finished with Telcel and I set up my phone, so I'm gonna be without service for a while. And what did you do to your phone so we're both without service today?
Change the
SIM. Change the SIM.
so you can work in the States.
And we're gonna be without the internet for 24 to 48 hours.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Feel like 24.
It feels like 24 to 48 hours, but if it even is 24 to 48 hours, it's okay because I'm not someone who's always on my phone. So,
Most of the time.
cool, you are on your phone most of the time. Tell the people the truth.
That's the truth.
Food is always a good time. We got done eating and we're getting like tea from cassava root, boba tea. And then we're heading home. I wanted us to walk home and that is not possible because it's raining outside. It's raining outside, so we are sitting in the parking lot of a, what is it called? Parque Delta. I got home and of course I checked my business phone. Saw that there's a lot of messages. I have an event coming up, and with this event coming up, I do not have any vegan plate or dish on the menu, and a lot of people is asking about that. And so now what should I do? What should I do? Only 2 people ask if I have a vegan dish, and do I want to do that? Only for 2 people. I mean, Jamaican menu is vast with a lot of influence, and we do have plant-based, and so I am seeing what to do here. Okay, so let me see. Most of my clients, Bloody, most of the orders are from women. Yeah, so I don't think you're gonna be, or you're gonna serve us. What do you think? Yeah, I was thinking of that as well. Like all the names are names of females, so most of the clients are female. So yeah, I need to do the Excel sheet, and then oh, there is 2 male, and I think there's a family because they all have the same last name. So I'm gonna do the Excel sheet and then I come join you, okay? Ah, what the? All right. Hopefully I finish in time with this Excel sheet because each time orders come in, I need to put the orders in and what they ordered. All right, I'm gonna check if that's available. I'm trying not to give myself anxiety by checking constantly, but yeah. Hello, beautiful. I see. And become a fluent Spanish speaker. Yes, my child. You're going to become a very fluent Spanish speaker. The house, we took a puss snack, and now we're going to get food. So we're killing 2 birds with 1 stone, taking the dog for a walk, and then we're getting food. One bird with two stones? Or is it two birds with one stone? Oh.
Who has the stones? You have one stone, I have one stone.
Two stones
Who is
killing
the
one bird.
Who is the bird?
You're so funny. Where we came, or we're looking to have ramen pizza, but they're closed. To get ramen, and I remember I saw the guy in the week, one of the owners, and I was like, what's going on? He said something, and I said, don't worry about it, my husband loves ramen, we'll be back in the week. And now
On the weekend.
And now we are here. We just passed by and they're not open. Even the number is not on the building. So both of us don't have our phones with us. So we're gonna call to find out what happened. Because he was looking so forward for ramen and I was looking so forward to having wings. And maybe Japanese pizza, which is good. What it's like running a business in Mexico. It's not, I don't know what to say because I don't know what the story is, but in my neighborhood and throughout Mexico, I've seen restaurants and businesses opening one day a month, and when I go back, they're not there, and it's quite frustrating and infuriating. But like I said, when I get back to the house, we're gonna call and find out what's happening. Maybe they open late, but the fact that there's no information, normally it has the time it opened, time it closed, the days, the number, and it's not there on the building. You know, they just got rid of them. We were there last week. Twice.
In the same day.
In the same day. Because the food was good. But damn. But I'm gonna continue enjoying this walk. I'm not going to cry about spilled milk until I know what caused the milk to spill.